Assalamu alaikum. My name is Munir and I am a student and teacher of English linguistics and literature. By using the platform of FEPIUS education in this short comprehensive video, I will let you know one of the most basic but very important topic of English linguistics, word formation. Before going to the word formation topic and some categories, I will let you know what is etymology. Etymology is the combination of two words, etymon and logia. Logia means study and etymon means original form. Etymology is that branch of knowledge in which we study the origin and the history of different words. We have four different word categories. Number one is coinage, number two is borrowing, compounding and blending. Here we go, our first category, coinage. Coinage is the most basic and the common word category, and it means the invention of new terms. Like we have examples of coinage, aspirin, nylon and Vaseline. Our next word category is borrowing. As the word borrow speaks those words which we take from other languages, and that process of taking words from other languages is called the borrowing. As we know that English language is the combination of different languages spoken in different parts of the world. Here taking words from other languages, and the examples of borrowing, sofa. Sofa is not the word of English language. It has been taken from Arabic, and yogurt from Turkish, and zebra from Bento language. Our third word category is blending. Combination of two separate forms to make a new term is called blending process. Like we have smoke and fog. When we combine these two forms, smoke and fog, we have a new word, smog. Similarly, in gasoline and alcohol, when we combine the gasoline and alcohol, we have a new form, we have a new term, a new word called the gasohol. Now, our last word category is compounding. Compounding means the process in which we join two different words to make a new word. That process is called the compounding. Like the fingerprint, like fast food, like wallpaper, like doorknob, full-time job, part-time job, and also bookcase in the wallpaper. Here we discuss one example like wallpaper. Wall is the another word and the paper is the another word. But when we join these two words, we have a new word, wallpaper, which has a different meaning, and that wallpaper that have different meaning called the compounding. Here we have a short and very interesting exercise for you. We have just 5 words. And like zipper, wastebasket, piano, supper and brunch. Here we identify the word category. Like piano आपको लग रहा होगा that it is the word of English language, but not. It has been taken from Italian language, and हमने पहले पढ़ा था ऐसे words जो कि दूसरे languages से borrow किए जाते हैं, that words lie in the borrowing. Then zipper is a new word, is invention. It's a new word and it is lying in coinage. Then wastebasket. Waste is another word and the basket is another word. But when we join these two words, it makes new word, having new concept and new meaning. तो इसको हम लेकर आएंगे compounding में. फिर आ जाता है हमारे पास supper and brunch. Supper is the blend of lunch and dinner, and the brunch is the blend of breakfast and lunch. I hope that you have enjoyed this short comprehensive video. Inshallah, I will come with new topics of English linguistics as well as English literature. Till then, Allah Hafiz and stay blessed and stay safe.